Welcome dear students to another part of our class started 5th subject EVS. Today we are going to continue the first lesson. The name of the lesson is Who Will Do This? In the first part we have seen that there are some public properties are there. It's our duty to protect and preserve it because public properties are used by everyone. Today also we are continue the same lesson and we are seeing some activity through it. In your textbook, page number 6, there is a picture. There are two pictures in the textbook. You can see the picture. In this picture, two women are there. One woman sweep the street and throw the garbage in the dustbin. The other woman sweep the street and let the garbage in the open place. In this picture, the woman who threw garbage in the dustbin is the right thing, and the second woman, she kept the garbage in the open place, it's the wrong thing. By doing so, we are polluting our environment. If we dumping the garbage in one place, what happen? It can cause disease in people who live in that area. In the second picture, there is also the woman throwing the garbage in the open place and people get ill because throwing these garbage in the outside. Now children, what are the arrangement for the disposals of garbage in your area? We are living in the city, so the municipality arrange some government employees to collect this garbage. The sweepers, they daily comes and sweep the road and take away the rubbish and the garbage. And a garbage collecting van is there. That van daily comes and collect the garbages from the home. And you can see there are bins in our roads. There are two type of bins. One is in green color and the other one is in blue color. And there are two type of waste are there. One is biodegradable waste and the other is non-biodegradable waste. The biodegradable waste contain fruit and vegetable peels, paper, leftover food, etc. These vegetable we can throw in the green bin, and the waste material, that is non-biodegradable waste. They are plastic, glass and metal-like materials. So these waste material we can put in the blue bin. So there are two bins are there. One is green for the biodegradable waste and the other one is for non-biodegradable waste. Now in the next page there is another picture. In this picture we can see two boys, Amit and Rahul. They are playing in the garden, and while playing, Rahul fell on the ground and one plant is broken. And Amit helped him to get up from the ground, and Amit keep the plant in its position to erect or standing in the standing position. And Rahul water the plant. Children, when you are going to park is a place for enjoyment. There are many things in the park. There are benches, swings and rides, plants, trees are there. When you are playing in the park, you should not harm any plants, yeah, flowers, yeah, any things in that park. We should not pluck the flowers, we should not cut the plants, and we should not harm any things that is in the park. So you must play in such a manner that you should not harm anything in the park, because it's a public place and it is our duty to protect it so that everyone can use the park. In the next page, page number 8, also there is a picture. Here also two pictures are there. In the first picture shows that how can we save water, yeah, conserve water. In the first picture, as we say, house is shown and it is raining. The rainwater from the terrace is collected in the tank that is made underground, and the rainwater is sent the tank through a pipe that is connected to the terrace. This process is called water harvesting. And in other picture, a boy is filling water in the bucket by using a hand pump. By using the hand pump, we are not wasting the water. We should not waste water because it's a precious thing. Everyone needs, plants, animals and human beings all need water to live. So we should not waste, we should conserve or save water. So in the second picture is there are two women. They come to fill the water from the tap. But these two women are talking with each other, and the pitcher is filled with water and the water is overflowing. And in the another picture, the woman kept open the tap, without closing, she went away. That means there also water is wasting. This picture shows that how we are wasting the water. We know that in many places in the summer season there is water scarcity. People walk miles to fill the water. So we should not never waste water. In the next page also there are some pictures given in your text. You can see the pictures. In these pictures also, in some pictures that showing how we are harm the environment. Some activities are by cutting the trees. We should not cut the tree because trees provide many things to us. Most important thing, they provide oxygen to us. All the living organisms, they need oxygen to survive on the earth. And do not firecrackers which has noise and smoke, a lot of noise and a loud noise. That also we are polluting the air. And a man is washing his cattle in the pond. He dirtying the water because this water is using by everyone. So we should not take bath animals or washing our clothes in the water. And another picture is there, a boy listening music in a loud noise. That also it's a pollution of noise. If we want to listen music, we can use a headphone. And we should not never throw garbage in the open place, and we should always throw the garbage in the dustbin only, and do not let the water wasting. So these are the some activities that we harm the environment and we save the environment. Children, before winding this lesson, we should learn some good habits. Here are some good habits. Dispose dirty water properly. That means we should not allow the dirty water from our house in the open place such as our surroundings or in the road. Second, maintain the public property. There are many public properties are there. So we should maintain it. We should follow the rules of the in the public places. Wash hands before eating and after using the toilet. Save water. Do not waste water. Plant trees and protect them. We should not cut the trees and we should protect the trees and plant more trees because trees clean the air and tree provide us oxygen to breathe also. And throw the garbage in the dustbin only. If we are not throwing garbage in the dustbin, what happens? It can cause disease in us. Listen songs at a low volume and maintain discipline at school. And in this lesson there is a story also, a story of Chintu and Meena. They are brother and sister. They study in a school. Chintu does not like go to school. Meena goes to school daily. Their parents want them to educate both the children equally. Their grandfather tells them stories and their grandmother teach them how to sing. But their parents are worried because Chintu is not going to school every day. And they keep a close watch to their going to school. Here is two questions. First question, what would Chintu dislike going to school? And what would Chintu dislike in the school? So find this answer. So that's all today. So this is the end of our session today. We shall continue with our subject on the next part of our class. Thank you.